What the hell is that noise? What the hell is that, man? There's something. Hopefully something come loose somewhere banging around in there, but you just don't know till you get in there and look. And look here, look, I got me some new Fat Possum Farms hats. I'm gonna be giving them away in some of my videos. I may give something away in this video, I don't know. But anyhow, let's look in there and see what's going on in this damn tractor. Takes 3 wrenches to get 3 bolts off. 9/16, 5/8, 11/16. I don't know if that's the way it should be, but that's the way it is. Replacing Mexican ton. Shit, there is oil all in there. I don't know. You can see oil all in there, but I can't see. I'm gonna take that bottom. I'm gonna take that bottom cover off. The bolts on the bottom are 1 1/16. Big old bolt. Woo! I'm glad I had that underneath there. I don't know if there's supposed to be anything in there, to be honest with you. I would think that section there would be in the clutch area. Might be a major problem going on. I don't know. Let me get it on off, take a look. But yeah, that's the clutch pressure plate. I'll try to show you. Well, heck, I don't know. Can you see? Can you see the metal flake? I mean, this bucket wasn't clean, but I mean, what the hell? I think it's just a look. What the hell? What the hell is that, man? There's something. Something's been going on for a little while. I don't see nothing in there but just a bunch of oil. I don't see anything loose flopping around. Can't really see good. But what it boils down to is this tractor's going to have to be broken half. I hope it's not one of the rods come loose in the motor and done knocked a hole through the block into the bell housing. But all the oil is still in the motor. I'm going to drain that transmission and see if anything's in there. I'm gonna drain that transmission tonight. Then we'll see what comes out of it. There's a lot of fluid out of one damn 3 buckets. 1 bucket, 2 bucket, 3 bucket, 4 bucket. See that? Just gassing. This is why when you buy something used nobody knows nothing about, you don't know the person, you want to take it down a little bit and look at everything. Look, this is the air. It sucks air down through here. That's the oil bath. The air comes through there and straight to the carburetor. Look, I just pulled the top off. Look at that shit. I mean, that's an acorn. That's 2 acorns and dirt dauber nest. It was getting a little bit right on that side. I guess a little air was traveling through. I got a tip for you. It's a good one, too. The guy who owned a salvage yard showed it to me. You're trying to get a tie rod end off, you don't have to use a tuning fork. What you do is where the bolt goes through, you take it, see the bolt going through there? I got the bolt loose. Take you a hammer, ball peen or something, whack it. Bam, 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 right there. If you can, bam, bam, bam. It'll just jump off of there. I'm going to do it. Watch it not work. Good, solid. Yeah. She's loose. Take the nut off, slide out the hole. Just stick the nut back on so you don't lose it. I'm I'm gonna walk around and give you a little rundown of everything had to come off. Let me get my hands clean. First thing, the hood. 2 bolts, it was off. The gas tank, starter, exhaust manifold, undo these control bars, steering rods, tie rod ends, and undo the air filter. Step plates had to come off, throttle, choke cable, gas line, air intake line. Shit, that's probably about it, really. It only took me maybe an hour and a half. But I'm gonna stop tonight. Me and my dog's ready to go in and get something to eat. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and separate this joker. Here's my plan. Now, I want you to message me and say, Joe, you're a freaking idiot, or Joe, you're a freaking genius. One of the two, nowhere in between, idiot or genius. But let me show you what I'm going for. Okay, in the back, I got a motor hoist running underneath the tractor, through the steering wheel, down around the transmission housing in front of this, so it can't slide. It's stuck between there and there, it can't move. And that shouldn't hold up this weight. Now in the front, I got a motor hoist. This is my little sketchy part because I've never broke one in half before, but I got a pretty good plan. I'm gonna unbolt my last 2 bolts. I got the strap running around the engine, up, all the way around. Over on this side, I got a little piece of wood holding it off of my piece of metal. But what I was worried about is how much weight is back there. I don't want it to flip forwards on me. So I come up with a plan for that. Front, underneath the bumper, I put 2 pieces of wood. So if it does try to tilt, it can only go as far as them boards and then it'll land on them, which will be good. I'll be wedged up high there, up against them, which is on my lift. I can roll the whole thing wherever I want. I can let it up and down with the lift or let it up and down with my straps. So I got plenty of work room. All the bolts are out. I've already got me a little bitty gap showing. I'm gonna get me a pry bar and just try to work it apart. I hope I got enough tension on the jacks to keep it level as it separates. It don't just drop. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit worked perfectly. It's separated. All I gotta do is roll it apart. Freaking wheels stay straight. I'll be honest with you. Ain't no sense in lying. I don't see what's making any noise. I mean, it all looks new. I don't know who the hell PBS Pro Boost Sand is, but I mean, it's all, you know, tight. I was trying to look. Because what worried me was a rod or something come loose and knocked a hole back there somewhere, but I don't see nothing. Okay, question. Is this supposed to do that? Maybe there's a bearing in there that has come apart. Now if that bearing goes bad, it'll make the seal go bad. and then the fluid will come through. That's a possibility. But everything else kind of checks out.